Hello my beautiful people, greetings once again, and you're most welcome to VS-Variety channel. Today I'm shooting this video in the central part of Uganda, Africa. Yeah, we're here at a company and we just want to show you that garbage is money, and along with me are my brothers. Come with us, let's have the experience. Wow, allow me to first give you the summary of the whole process. Enjoy. Guys, look at this.
It is called cha. This is molasses.
Beautiful. Jack 100, Jack 100. Now comrades, get ready for the full process. Here we start.
What we do first is garbage collection. Instead of leaving it here to pollute the environment, for us we take it and put it into use.
Guys, move around the place just looking for garbage.
Bino byonna ebiri wano mubipakire, temulekaawo n'ekimu, byonna tubitwala. Joel, we go to that lady and collect what she has. She is sorting the plastic bottles, I'm sorting the buvera, and he is sorting the dry garbage which is going to be carbonized. Guys, what is happening now? From the 8 sacks we collected in the field, after carbonizing, we are going to get half a sack. Remember that in this steering drum, we don't burn buvera, we don't burn plastics, we just burn dry garbage. Viewers, those buveras and plastics, we have guys who come and buy them and put them into use.
We have to put the chum on. The reason for this, to prevent air pollution. Just as you can see, smoke was everywhere, but now having a single outlet. Now I can stand here comfortably.
This water is just for cooling the system.
Yongero iweko baba.
Haya, teka wasi.
Now we're saving it.
That's rozabu. Pipano, bantu tebakiriza, naye ebintu bisoboka. Eno video